Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna be giving you a 3-week update on my starter locks. Yes, it's been 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks since yesterday, actually. I installed mine on the 7th, and today is the 29th. It was 3 weeks yesterday on the 28th of July. So, I have interlocked my roots once, but I think I did that the week after I installed my starter locks. So that's what I'm looking like right now. I'm getting a lot of like straight hair frizz, like literally the pieces of hair that come out of my twists, and I don't know why. It's really weird. Anything that's different? Not really. I haven't combined anything. I haven't separated anything. Show you the parts I interlocked. I just interlocked this one, and did I do this one? I don't think so. I did these three last week, because when I tell you this boy right here was like super frizzy, like it was like all my baby hairs, big section of it was just out. So I had to interlock that up, this one, so they can stay inside, and then this one. I haven't re-interlocked any on this side. I re-interlocked these, or retwisted them, retightened, last week I think. So this one is still the, from the original interlock. I have like a pinch where I have all the space. So the little knot is starting right here. I have that much. I know that's growth or slippage. I really don't know. If it's growth, that'd be crazy. Like some of these. And then the back of my hair is insane too. Like, look at that. All that. Try to find another one. Hopefully you can tell. Oh, this is where it starts, right here. My nails are. And then all that from the root is like loose or whatever. So, yeah, as I had already mentioned, I'm interlocking. I'm not doing the twisting method. I tried it with my first set, and I didn't like it, so. But something new I've been using, which is from TJ Maxx, is this oil. Don't know if it's doing anything. I bought this sometime last week, like the middle of last week. It smells really good. It smells really good. And then one of my leave-ins, this is one that had that black vanilla leave-in spray from Carol's Daughter. This one is almost done, so I need to refill this. And here's where I'm at with my scalp oil. I put this on my, like, throughout the rest of my hair, but I put this specifically on my scalp because it is infused with like Ayurvedic powders. And here is my other leave-in. Yeah. As you can see, I definitely use this some more, and I use it for the smell, to be honest. My hair hasn't been dry. I've been washing it every week, so I've washed it 3 times already. Or the first week. I washed it? No, I washed it twice already. I'm getting like halos of frizz around each lock. I was going to try to go in and like wrap. See that? Extreme. Try to wrap each lock with the frizz that's around it, if that makes sense, so that I can like not be all snagging and stuff. But that'll just take too much time, and I'll take care of that when I actually go ahead and retighten my whole head. But yeah, the front of my hair, I mean, this one has a decent amount of growth. Some of them, like even this one in the front here, Like, okay, this one starts right there, this one starts here, and it's like a pretty decent amount of difference. Well, at least to me, like I always just notice my hair, but I haven't really been doing much with it. I'm oiling my scalp every like twice a week. I try to spray my hair down like 3 times a week. Usually I'm wearing my hair down. I usually twist it up in sections, like this big of sections. Like this is a twist out. I usually twist it up in big sections. You can hear my dog eating in the background. And then take it out and just wear my hair like that, so it can still be kind of crimpy. I did do a braid out on Friday after I washed my hair, and that came out cute. If I have any pictures, I'll insert that. What else? I don't think there's much else about my 3-week update. I haven't noticed any scalp issues, and if my scalp is like somewhat dry, I just go in and oil it. And usually it gets dry like a day before I have to go in and wash anyways, which is fine because the next day I'm washing. So yeah, so that's all I have to say about my starter locks for this time. This is my 3-week update. Let's see how long I last. Like this one still looks like a regular twist. And I don't expect my hair to lock quickly at all, to be honest, but I do want it to like stay this length. I hope I don't get too much shrinkage. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.